welcome back to me. Welcome back to another video with me, Chosen Petty in the kitchen, guys. As I show you before, the fish head, guys, fish head. Yes. And guys, this is when it cut up, this is how it look. But guys, next time I will show you how I cut it up, okay? In the space of time, guys, I have cut it up, and this is the final part of when it's cut up. Look at it. Alright, guys. So yes, guys, here I am back, guys, with my fish head. Guys, I have went and I have washed it, guys. I have washed my fish head, clean it up, because guys, you know, everything you do you have to clean up, okay? So I have seasoned it up, guys, with some hot pepper, some black pepper, and guys, I did have a little crush green season, guys. I put it with it, okay, guys. Back over this side, guys, I have my pumpkin, I have my okra here, guys, I have hot pepper, some thyme, guys, some carrot, guys, some onion, chopped garlic here, pimento seed, and a piece of scallion. Guys, you season up your fish head just like how you season up other fish. Your snapper fish, your banga mary, whatever fish you season up, is the same way, guys. Fish head, may I tell you, look at it, guys. I am telling you. And so, guys, I'm just taking this opportunity, guys, to just thank you, guys, for your subscribe. Guys, subscribe to me, guys, so that, guys, you know the things set in Jamaica's encouragement, sweet and labor. Guys, you have to subscribe so that I can reach up to a level, guys, okay? And I'll do my best, guys, to give you as much content as I can. Alright, do enjoy. So I'm going to set on my pot, guys, and I'll be right back to show you how I cook my fish head, guys. Yes, fish head. Okay, alright, guys, soon come back. I've had some oil in the pot, and guys, I'm gonna add my seasoning, okay? So as I said to you guys before, it cook just like how you would have cook your snapper fish or your ground fish or any fish of your choice. It's the same way, because you know every fish come with head, guys, but only two of them and they are big. You understand? It's the same thing, right? There, guys. Guys, I am turning my seasoning. Look at this, guys. As I said before, the same way. You know, you half cook your seasoning before you cook in your fish head. Okay? No difference. Alright? So guys, I'm gonna add a piece of butter. As I said to you guys, just like how you do your snapper and your grunts and the other butter fish them, and you know, and I'm gonna add a little water, guys. Right, look at this. So guys, I shouldn't hear to smell it. Oh my god, look at this. All right, some cock soup in it also, okay? Guys, I don't want the nougat right now in it. I'm using the powder. Alright? Just the powder. Just for taste. Okay? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Alright, guys. I'm going to add it into the pot. Okay? This side, guys, I'm adding my fish to my pot. My fish head, guys, to my pot. With my seasoning, okay? Guys, try it. It's nice, you see? Try it, and it's good for you too. And only the fish alone good, guys. The fish head good to hide the brains into. Right? Like this. Guys, look here. Look what is going on over this side of town. Look here. It's no joke around here now, guys. No joke. See it there? You think me a joke, guys? No joking around here. Oh, look at the body of it, guys. Look here. Look here. Yes, guys. Alright, so I'm going to taste my pot, guys, to see if it want anything. Which I don't think it want anything. But you know, you have to taste your pot, guys. Okay? So I'm going to put a little in my hand. Me say, guys, me I tell you. Shoot, it no want. Me tell you, you know. It no want nothing at all. I just reheat up, you know, guys. Nothing it no want. Look at it. Me say, guys, I want heat out of the pot. My God. Look here, guys. May I tell you, guys, me no extra. Look here. Look here, guys. Look at the texture. Look at this. Look here, guys. My God. Guys, me I go drink this right now. Alright? I'm gonna taste. I'll be right back. Okay, enjoy. So guys, but just when you look at this, you know, guys. This is the finishing touch of my fish head. Look at it. It's fish head, guys. See it there? Fish head. See it there? Fish head. Look at this. Look at the flat. Look here, guys. Guys, I've served it up with some crackers. See it there, guys? Look here. Real thing me I tell you about. Fish head, guys. See it there? A fish head. See it there? So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, guys, please, guys, to subscribe to my channel, guys. Thumbs up, turn on your notification bell, guys. You know the word already. So when I upload a video, guys, you will see it. Guys, tell someone to tell somebody, share my video, guys. Help me to reach at a certain level, guys. So, guys, enjoy. Okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Bye.